Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light-up Joker sword. This is pretty cool, guys. For this, I got this piece at like a toy store. It's like Light Bright. You can put in little lights. I spelled out the Joker's name. I went over it with purple tape. I hot glue gunned the Joker. I used 2 star lights that I glued to the back. This light in here is actually out of an old toy. It has a switch. Off. On. It has different settings. This is really cool. I used I think this was a Sprite or a Mountain Dew bottle. At the top, I put a little top with a DC motor. It's supposed to light up a little more, but you can kind of see it light up. And that's my Joker sword. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see. And make cool things like this, like the do-it-yourself, light-up Joker sword. Right here, it's hard to actually make a K. It kind of looks like an X, but that spells Joker. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.